I got into energy because I really love playing around with cutting edge technology and saw the opportunity to apply that in the energy industry. Now, I think, is the most exciting time in the history of our utility and in the electricity and energy industry as a whole. I love my job because I'm getting to figure out how to integrate that technology on the grid. It's something that we're going to continue to increase, and so getting to be kind of on the cutting edge is really exciting every day.
I got into energy because ever since I was a kid, I've been a social butterfly. I love interacting with people, building relationships, and in this role, I get to do it every day. What I love most about my job is creating a positive experience for all customers. Sometimes you may be the only person they get to talk to that day and put a smile on their face. So it makes me feel good that I can do that every day.
I got into energy because I didn't want to spend all day in an office. Being that I'm in system engineering, we have to do a system walk down at least once a week, which includes going out in the field, gathering data from the system, logging that data, and just doing a general inspection on the condition of the equipment. It gets me out of my office. I mean, if there's ever a time where I'm just tired of working on the computer, I just grab my hard hat, walk out into the plant, and there's always something to do out there. I did not have any previous robot experience before coming to Consumers Energy. It just goes to show that this job changes every single day and the challenges are different day in and day out.
I got into energy because I have always been a problem solver, and that led me to engineering. I like that the work I do, I know that it is meaningful and impactful to the energy that we deliver to our customers. There's a lot of things that are behind the scenes that people don't see from an energy supply perspective and an IT perspective in areas that I've worked in the past. But I know that those are necessary to deliver energy to our customers.
I got into energy because I wanted to work in a skilled trade. I love this career because it's not just a job, it's an opportunity to provide for your family, it's an opportunity to provide for the public, and now I'm in a position to where I get to pass on what I've learned to others and make our trade better.
I got into energy because I know that it's stable local work that allows me to be close with my family and help provide them more opportunities. They love it, especially having me home every night, being able to tuck them in bed, being able to go out and do things, seeing them in school events, even just going to a movie. You don't know how valuable your time is until you really don't have it to share.
I got into energy because it's a viable resource and a daily necessity for our everyday lives. It also gives me the ability to be creative and leave a mark on all communities that I touch. Everything that we create as welders in these shops here, as we take them out and we install them at businesses, at schools, at homes, when we come back 5, 10, 15, 20 years later, those wells, based on the training and the experience that we have been taught here at Consumers, stand the test of time, and it's something that we can show to our children, grandchildren, etc.
I got into energy because growing up, there was a wind farm being built in my backyard, and I was just amazed at how they looked and wanted to be a part of that industry. This isn't your typical power plant. This is a completely different machine, so just the challenge of that every day. Kind of being out on your own, being able to be your own boss, kind of, even though you have a boss, is kind of a fun aspect. You're out here, you're depending on your partner, and just getting your job done is kind of fun.